What's up guys, Kabasabi Credo Jr. at your service again and again and again, and for today another gaming content, but this time no more football, no anything. I will play one of the game that it was part of my childhood. So it's called Metal Slug. So yeah, so I will play this game, and here's the thing. I will play uh 5 times. So let's try. Here you go. Mission 1. There you go. Let's go. 5 times, okay? 5 times. Kind of easy. That easy, fam. Come on. Give me some medals. Go. Machine gun. Out of my head, out of mama. No, the flame one. No, not this. Not this. Not this. Okay, come on. Machine gun. Out of my head, out of mama. Easy. It's kind of easy, fam. Oh! Okay, one down. One down. One down. Come on. Come on. No, no. I didn't notice. I did not notice that. Didn't notice that. Uh, I did not notice that guy. Oh my god. How how can I survive? How can I fucking survive this? How can I fucking survive? Okay, I survive. I survive. Okay, go. Let's go. And it gas. No, 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 no. Fight against. Okay. Bang. Let's go. Go. Let's go. Gas. Danger, danger, danger. Oh, yeah. Bang. Come on. Come on. Need you. No. Bang. Bang. No. 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 Don't. Don't. Don't me. Don't me. Ah. Don't fucking me. Don't fucking me. Ah. Ah. Yes. Yes, mate. No way. No, 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 no. 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 Okay. Oh. Oh, skills. Come on. Skills. No. Skills. Oh. Whoa. Wow. Okay, let's go. Mission 2. I know I'm his best. I'm the best here. Go. Okay. Go. Go. Put the fucking gun. Okay. So I got 4. 4 left. No, no, I think. Get. No left. Go. Fire. 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 No, no, no. Okay. 4 left. No, why? Why? No, 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 no. So let's go. Oh, you a fucking monkey. That's me, bro. That's me. I'm monkey, by the way. No. 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 Bang. Rocket launcher. Okay, one, two, three. Oh, the guy is chilling. The guy is chilling. No, you cannot chill at the battlefield. No, your ass. Rocket launcher. Come on, give me a rocket launcher. Yes, sir. One, two, three, four, five, five, five. No, no, no way. You cannot put the bomb. Uh, bye. So, bye, bye, bye. On the left side. Let's go. Four, five. No, 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 no. Bye, bye. No, bye, bye. Bye, bye. Bye, bye. No. Bang, bang, bang. Bye, bye. Bang. What are you doing? No. Three left. Go. This is easy. It's easy. There we go. Let's go. Kind of easy, by the way. The that their bullets like slow, so I can I can hold this. Some matter of can fight no matter what. So I need to uh okay. No, 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 no. Fuck. Bye bye. Okay, okay. Prepare. Okay. I know that guy. I know that guy here. See? I see you, Bob. No! Huh? Again, here we go. Yoshi Maria. Oh no. I need gas. Need gas. No, wait. No. Okay, let's go. Gas, yes, gas. There we go. Get left 3, right? So we need to go to sky and fire. So go, go, go. No, no. Wait, watch out. The balls. No, 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 not the balls. Not the balls. Not the balls. No way. Kind of difficult. No, not the balls. Two left. Hey, Jet. I need that. I need that. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Easy. Two left, guys. Two left. Easy. That's easy, guys. Easy. Here we go. I'm ready. I'm ready to go. Let's go. Smokes. I know. I know. Huh? Oh. I know. I know. Uh, I know. I know. I know. I know. I know. No. Uh, I know. I know. Okay. Same thing I said. I know this. I know who will get this. Okay. Basic. Easy. No. Down, 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 down. Please, down. Down, down, down. Okay. No. Okay. Easy. That's easy. No. Too late. What's this? Then, am I right? Then, this guy. Okay. I made it. What? Give me one more. Okay. One last chance, please. Please. One last chance. I made it. Why? Tell me why. One, two, three. Okay, that's it. That's it. Hard pa. Kaya. Oh. What? Okay. Give me. Give me some chance. No way. Okay. Wait, don't shop. No! Last chance, fam. Last chance. Last chance. Okay. Okay, I need to face that fucking guy. Da, da, da. Fire. No, wait. No. No. Okay. Okay. I will end this video to beat this guy. Okay. That's all the video that I need. Okay. Go. We'll end this video to beat this guy. This guy is so bullshit. Okay. This guy is so bullshit. Okay. I need to end this video. No. Okay, it's red. Red, 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 red. Machine gun. Take care. Care if you... You look like Tito Mars, by the way. Tito Mars, but it's bald. Oh, Tito Mars is dead. Tito Mars has been dead. Tito Mars has been dead. Baldy Tito Mars has been dead. Okay, go. No way. No. I think I will end this video after this. Okay, let's go. Bye, 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 bye. Oh, shotgun. Shotgun. Yeah. Okay, that's it for today. Okay, so that's it for today. I played Metal Slug 1. If I want to finish this, let me try. So don't forget to like, comment, share. Kevin Julian Jr. Bye for now. What the is that? What do I do? Riz! Why Riz is out? Now the flirting guy is out.